It's so important that the students who are involved in this from middle school to high school see that first step of a mentor who is just maybe 5 to 6 or 7 years older than them as a college student who shows enthusiasm, direction, and really gives them the first step towards that career.
Our first tech challenge competition, which is for anyone in middle school or high school that participates, they build metal robots that are 18 by 18 by 18 inches, and they compete 2-on-2 in a head-on-head match every year. There are a lot of companies now that are looking at students who have participated in these programs, and honestly the skills that I've learned in this program are probably just as great as the skills that I've learned in my course.
So the way we do it is a very good balance of technology, using like Legos, where kids early on ages see Legos and they're like, oh, toys, we get to play with these, and adding just a smidge of competition and increasing it as it goes up, because kids are naturally very competitive, so when they get a chance to see what their project or their little robot can do against other people's robots, that really inspires them. And they get to see like, hey, we might have lost this year, but why did we lose? What did they do better? And then they learn and use that. And so the small like combination of competition and using like working their way up from robotics to a little bit of metal to big-sized robots, it's a really nice stepping stone for them to get involved.
Very important for the universities to be involved because they have the resources available to provide the students with this opportunity, whereas the high schools don't always have the resources in terms of people and space and money to run these types of tournaments. I know a lot of my students have been to Clarkson a number of times and they absolutely love the school, and I think several will be applying to Clarkson.